Good morning, everyone. My name is Renante Cabra Jr. Our topic is about entrepreneurship. Today, I'll be sharing key information about entrepreneurship based on three resources. So, let's get started. So, what is entrepreneurship? Entrepreneurship is about more than just starting a business, it's about creating new ventures, products, or ideas to generate value. Mas mataas pa ang profit sa paghimo og mga new products, mga bag-o na negosyo. To be entrepreneur, you need or kinahanglan nato natay entrepreneurial skills to deliver sales and revenue. So so it often involves small or medium-sized businesses, requires taking calculated risks to earn profit, and can also focus on solving social or environmental problems. So at its core, it's about recognizing opportunities and acting on them. So while entrepreneurship offers great potential, many businesses do fail. So here's what the data shows. So first is incompetence. Like dili ka capable on handling the business, so it can lead to failure. So ma-fail gid, then it's 44.9% of failure. So next is lack of management expertise. Kulang ka sa knowledge on how to manage the business. Wa ka naanad ana. Then 21.2. Then next is lack of experience. Kanang kuwang ka sa experience ana to handle ang business. 20.0%. Then wala ka maswito sa mga technology, possible daghan kag errors. 17.4% ang failure. Ilaron sa mga employee like the financial reports kanang fraud, 8.5%. Then mga bagyo or sa pana na disaster like mga crisis. Next is neglect kanang pagpabaya, 3.0% of mga uban pa. Then history and local view. Entrepreneurship has a long story and strong local relevance. The entrepreneur originates from the French verb entreprendre, means to undertake. So the term originated in France after the French Revolution, coined by economist Jean-Baptiste Say. So economist Joseph Scumter noted entrepreneurs drive economic growth through innovation, through introducing new product or pagpa-improve sa mga products. So in the Philippines, 76% view entrepreneurs as having high social status and 73% consider it a good career choice. So entrepreneurship is a dynamic force that creates opportunities, drives change, and is highly valued here in the Philippines.